Welcome all to the new video of Coding Race. In this video we will learn how to make a search app in MIT App Inventor. Start a new project. Project name will be Search App, and just click on the OK. First scroll down and just visible of this title. Go to layouts, drag and drop the horizontal arrangement. Drag and drop one image. Drag and drop one image also. One text box. One button. And just click on the text box. Just click on this image. And we want to choose the image. I have chosen an arrow. If we click on that arrow, we want to go back. So the height will be 8, width will be 8%. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, go to the another image and height will be same 8%. Width also will be 8%. Okay, that's done. And we will add one label in the middle of these two images. If we add the label, we can get some gap between these two images. So add another arrow to go forward. Yeah, that's perfect. Just click on this text box and the hint will be type the URL here. Yeah, and just enter. Just click on the button. The text will be go. Erase the text and type go and just enter. Yeah, that's perfect. Just click on the horizontal arrangement. Align horizontal will be center. You can make it left, that's alright. You want to must do align vertical will be center, that's must. We want to add one more image. We will add an home button. Just choose the file. I will give the link in description to download the arrows home icons. Okay, the height width will be 16%, height will be fill parent. I am going to change the font to tablet. Yeah, the home is looking perfect. I am putting the align horizontal center. Background, I am going to choose one background for our app. Just click on the screen, upload background. Yeah, that's nice. We want to add one more vertical arrangement. The height will be fill parent and width will be fill parent. Background color will be none. And the background color of horizontal arrangement also will be none. Go to layouts again and drag and drop one horizontal arrangement. Width will be fill parent, background color will be none. There we will add one more image for share icon. Align will be vertical, align vertical will be center and align horizontal will be center. I am going to add the share icon. Okay, upload. Yeah, this is my share icon. Height will be 10% and the width will be 10%. And just click on this horizontal arrangement and the height will be 10. Just okay. Yeah, that's look perfect. If you want, you can just click on that image and just click on the scale picture and just click again, so it will look perfect. Sometimes it will not work. We want to add one more label. Just click on that virtual arrangement and the vertical arrangement will be center and horizontal arrangement will be center. The text will be search. Yeah, just enter. Font will be bold. Font size will be 20. Yeah, that's perfect. We want to add one more label. Go to layouts again, drag and drop one more horizontal arrangement. Height will be automatic and width will be fill parent. Here we will add one text box and one button. Yeah, here we have added one text box and one button. Just click on that horizontal arrangement. Align horizontal will be center, align vertical will be center. Just click on that text box. Width will be 60. That perfect? Oh, I think 50 is perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, just click on that button to erase the text and upload an image. I will add one search icon. The height will be 8% and the width will be 10%. Yeah, that looks good. Just click on that text box to erase the hint, type search and just enter. Okay. So these are our just click on that button 1 and you can choose one background custom. You can choose any color, that's not matter. Yeah, just click on that text box 1 and the width will be fill parent. Okay, just go to the social. There drag and drop the sharing component. Go to user interface, drag and drop this notifier. This two component will help us to code this app. Notify if when the button, the share icon click, the share component help us to share, and the notifier will help us if there is not any website is open. The notifier will be noticed you have not opened any website to share the link. So These are our design. Just go to the blog section. Go to design. Sorry, we have add one web viewer. Drag and drop it here. Yeah, that just visible off. This web viewer will help us to view our Google and open websites. So go to the blog. Yeah, first we will code for the button 2. Go to blog section. When button 2 click, drag and drop it here. Go to web viewer 1, drag and drop set web viewer 1 dot visible. 2, go to logic and drag and drop this true. Go to web viewer again, drag and drop call web viewer 1 dot, go to URL. There we will add one text join. Go to text box and drag and drop this join slots, and go to text again, drag and drop this text string. There we will add one link, https://www.google.com/search equal. That's it. Next we want this text box to dot text. We will put the text code there. You can see it. Yeah, text box to dot text. Yeah, this if we click on this button 2, the web viewer will redirect to the Google and search what we have typed in this text box 2. Next we will code for this go button, which is button 1. Go to button 1, drag and drop when button 1 dot click. Duplicate the set web viewer dot visible and just duplicate this call. Go to URL or just go to the web viewer. I am going to duplicate this call web viewer dot URL. Just remove that join and the URL of Google. Just we want the text box 2 dot text, no, text box 1 dot text. Sorry. Go to designs. Yeah, that's perfect. Next go to designs, and next we will code for this to image 1 and image 2. Go backward and go forward icon arrows. Go to the image 1 dot click, drag and drop it. Go to web viewer 1, drag and drop go back, call web viewer dot go back. So next we will code for the image 2. This button, go to image 2. When image 2 dot click, go to web viewer and drag and drop this call web viewer dot go forward. Next we will code for this image 3 home icon. Go to blog section. When image 3 dot click, drag and drop it here. Go to web viewer and or you can duplicate this set web viewer dot visible false, change it to false. Yeah. Next we will code for this image 4, which is share icon. So go to block section and image 4 dot click, then image 4 dot click. Okay, here we want to add go to share 1 and drag and drop this call share 1 dot share message and go to web viewer, and you can see one web viewer dot current URL. Drag and drop it to the message slot. Next, go to the controls and drag and drop if then. There, go to the logic and drag and drop this equal, and there we will add the web viewer dot current URL. Next, we will add one text here. There we will type about dot blank, and the notifier, go to notifier and drag and drop call notifier dot show alert. Notice will be, go to text. I have already typed, you have not opened any website to share the link. That's will be the notice. And go to the settings and add one more else if duplicate the notice alert and the web viewer current URL, remove the text and go to the designing. So these are our